Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mayur from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my Profitgram review. Now I am inside the members area of Profitgram, and during this video I will give you the detailed Profitgram demo and walkthrough of what is inside and what program does basically. Profitgram is a fully cloud-based Instagram autoresponder. Send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion plus people at a low price. It's a one time price. Isn't it great, guys? So I highly recommend that you should pick this up. This will save you a bunch of money all over from the other competitors. So we are going through this video of Profitgram. If this is something that you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, we are going to cover three major aspects. First, I am giving you the Profitgram demo. Second, I have some awesome bonuses too, which will help you out in the implementation phase after learning Profitgram. And third, we'll go through the sales page to understand the pricing and the upsell. So let's understand how you can claim these bonuses. To claim my epic bonuses, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, which will take you to my bonus page. Let you know that this is going to go live on Monday, 18th of October 2021 at 11 a.m., which is Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you can you can come and click on any of these red buttons that will bring you to the sales page that will look something like this. So you can come and you can able to pick this up. You need to pick up my bonuses before this countdown times hits 0. uh, when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and this is something I definitely don't want you to miss out on. I'm just gonna go through my bonuses now because they're super powerful. I'm saying it super powerful because I have picked this up, which will help you in the implementation phase after learning Profitgram. So Profitgram, it's a brand new email killer. Basically, it's a fully cloud-based Instagram autoresponder. Instantly import unlimited accounts and start posting within seconds. It's a one time. You just have to pay. It's a one time fee, uh, no monthly fees. So let's take out some of the benefits. It's an unlimited cloud based Instagram autoresponder messaging machine. Send any message with any link or offer to 2 billion plus people in 180 countries. Get 98% open rate from people glued in their phones. Instantly import unlimited contacts and start messaging in seconds. No contact. The software gets red dot Instagram phone leads for you on the autopilot. So let's go through my epic bonuses. So the bonus number one is access backlink warrior. So this is the backlink warrior it's a traffic generation tool designed by Jono Armstrong. Jono is my mentor, and he is one of the top affiliator right now in the business. So you should not miss this epic bonus. The bonus number two is learn to get better conversation. So bonus number three is how to explore your YouTube channel. So using this bonus, you will get tips and tricks to explore your YouTube channel. Bonus number four is uh, boomerang boomerang buddy pro. So you can get boomerang buddy pro. This is also one of the best epic bonus that you should not miss out. And bonus number five is the special bonuses, which is like the all vendor bonuses. So let's take out what vendors are also offering. These are all the list of bonuses you're going to get. Like if you click on the link down below in the description, and you will pick this up from like all my bonuses and all these vendor bonuses. So it's a crush it with YouTube crash, YouTube celebrity, uh, get Google traffic. So all these bonuses you can able to download. There are a lot of list of bonuses. There are a lot of offerings from the vendors also. So you can go through it at your own time. So there are a lot of from the vendors. There are a lot of bonuses from the vendor as well. So you're going to get all the vendor bonuses plus all my custom bonuses, which are super powerful. You will agree on this that they're super powerful, completely free of charge, and they're going to get instantly deliver. Even you will just even you will just pick up the front end of ProfitGram, that they're going to cost you just $16.93. On the top of that, there is a downsell discount also. Let me show you. After reaching to the sales page, if you'll drag your mouse to close this browser, it will bring a pop-up with saying that congratulations, you're qualified for this special discount. If you click to claim the special discount, it will bring you back to the sales page, and here is the discounted price, which is 14.93, which is less than $15, less than even a single pizza or the. So you just have to follow the 5 simple step. The first, just click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you to my bonus page. On the bonus page, just click on any of these red buttons, which will bring you to the sales page. So here on the buy now, you can able to pick this up. After buying this, you have to log into your Warrior Plus account, and on the top right hand side, you can search for the purchase history. In the purchase history, you can see the profit gram. So just click on that, which will take you to the receipt page, which will look something like this. The receipt page will look something like this. There on the blue button, you have to click on access affiliate bonuses. So after clicking on the after access affiliate bonuses, you can able to access all my custom bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses. So everything you can able to access in the Warrior Plus account. So let's go over to the sales page and check it out right now. And it says, so we are here on the sales page of ProfitGram, and it says send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion plus people for a low one-time price. Brand new email killer. Instagram autoresponder lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. Say goodbye to inconsistent email marketing, having to build leads or pay for SMTP and autoresponders. There are a lot of information on the sales page. Let me show you some of the uh, profit profit proof. So here are like the sales dashboard, like people are earning a lot of money. You can have a look at the last month. The users of ProfitGram, they have earned more than $90,000. These are some of the users, like they have shared their previous experience with ProfitGram. So there are a lot of information on the sales page. You can go through the sales page at your own time. So there are a lot of internet marketers making a lot of money using ProfitGram. I'm not going to waste any more time here, and I'm just going to jump straight to the app and show you around. It's going to look like this. So we are in the dashboard of ProfitGram. This is very nice and clean dashboard of ProfitGram. So on the left hand side, you can see the reports. This is the menu navigation system. So we are at dashboard. So let's go to the publish all. So here you can see you can create the new post, photos, videos, links, text. So all published elements you can see it out here. If you want to add more accounts, you can able to add more accounts also. So in the Instagram we have the post activity and direct messages. Let's go to the say post. So you can create your own post. So in the file manager you can upload the media like the videos and images. You can just click on click on the image you would like to send the post on. So we have the scheduler also. So using this you can schedule your post. So here you can schedule your post. So is the account manager, like you can add the multiple accounts. Then you have the file manager. So you can upload all your files on the cloud, and whenever it is required you can just create your own post. So here is the group manager. I don't know, something going wrong. It's not opening. So in all, like you can create and schedule all your posts, and in the publish menu you can directly send the auto generator to over like 2 million people. So this is really amazing software. They have the training videos also. So all the training videos are here. They have the support. So you can click and check out the support also. So this is all inside the dashboard of Profitgram. Now I'm going to talk about the pricing and downsell and upsell. So let's go through the pricing. So now everything that I've shown you up till now is going to cost you $17 with the downsell of $15. If you go to the sales page, you will find such kind of pop up, and that will bring you to the downsell discount. So then they have the upsell of Profitgram Pro Edition of for $37 with the downsell of 27. Upsell number 2, Profitgram Enterprise Edition for $47 with the downsell of $37. Upsell number 3, Profitgram Done For You Edition for $39 with the downsell of 29. Upsell number 4, Profitgram Reseller Edition for $197. This is the actual original cost of the software which you are going to get just for $15. So the reseller edition you are going to get it for $97. Upsell number 5, Profitgram IMX bundle for $97 with the downsell of 67. I will recommend you that like you should go you can go for upsell number 1 and 2 uh, for the downsell price which you are not going to get later on. So this is the pricing, and this is the pricing and the upsell. There is also demo video on my bonus page. You can scroll down the page and just watch the demo video. There are tons of information on the bonus page also. You can check it out at your own time. There are a lot of information of Profitgram. Also, don't miss out my bonuses, which is super powerful. Remember, these all these bonuses. Uh, are 100% free of charge. My thought on this, the Profitgram is a fully based Instagram autoresponder. Send unlimited messages straight to the phone over 2 billion plus people for a low price. So I definitely recommend you to pick this up and get all my mega bonuses as well. That is from me. uh, Thank you so much for watching my Profitgram review. I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.